Alright, so we have our tasks here. In this lab, your task is to share and configure the share and NTFS permissions for these folders as follows. So we have a bunch of information we want to do here. So let's start up. We go to File Explorer, and this computer, we scroll down to Volume and finance folder. So on the finance folder, what are we doing here? The first instruction says give everyone and accounting group full read-write full control permission. So click here, we go to show more options, give access to specific people. Alright, so first one is everyone. This is everyone here. We add. We're gonna give read-write access. So let's look for accounting. We don't have accounting here, so we click find people so that we can add accounting since it's not there. Accounting. So check name, we click OK. Accounting is here now. What are we giving to accounting? Read write full control. So click on read write and share. Done. Alright, what are we doing? Graphics folder, give everyone group read write full control permission. So we'll go to graphics folder, show more options, give access to specific people. Alright, so we'll click on everyone and add. What are we giving to everyone? We're giving them read write full control access. So click on read write and share. Done. Alright, so let's go to the second task here, and that is in the finance folder. It says convert the inheritance permission into explicit permission. So go to this, we go to properties. Under properties, you go to security. Under security, you go to advanced. Alright, so advanced, we are asked to convert inheritance permission, so we disable the inheritance permission. It's going to ask you this if you want to convert inheritance permission to explicit permission. Yes, we want to, so we click on it. And is there anything we're doing? No, so we just apply. Click OK. What are we doing next? Says if they resist, remove the everyone and user group from the access control. So everyone user group has to be removed. So we go to edit and do they exist? Everyone. Remove the everyone group and users group. Yes, they do exist, so we'll remove them. This is everyone. I'm gonna remove, and users group, I'm gonna remove. What else are we doing? If they exist, give the everyone and users group. If they exist, remove everyone from the access control list to prevent all users from having access. Alright, so the next task is give or make sure the accounting group has been assigned full control permission. Accounting group. So accounting group. So we click on accounting group. Okay, accounting group already has full permissions. So there's nothing we're doing here. Accounting group already has full permission. So we just apply, click OK. And the next task is in graphics folder. So we just click OK so we can go to graphics folder. What are we doing in graphics folder? Do not modify inheritance permission. This gives all users read access. So we're not going to do anything to inheritance. So make sure that the everyone group only has the following permission. So we'll go to graphics, right click, go to properties, security, and everyone group only has the following permission. So we'll click on everyone, and they should only have certain permissions. So we can edit from here, so that's why we have to go to edit. Under edit, we click on everyone, and they can't have full control. Should they be able to modify? Nope. Should they be able to read and execute? Yes. Should they be able to list folder content? Yep. Should they be able to read? Yes. Should they be able to write? No. No, there is no right here. So I guess this is done. So we apply. What are we doing next? And the last task says add the marketing group and give this group the additional modifier permission. So let's click on add, then we type in marketing. We click on check names, okay, and under the marketing, everything remains the same except that we give them access to modify. We click on apply, click on OK, click on OK, and we close this. Let's see our answers. Everything seems fine here, 100%. If the video was helpful, remember to share so that other people can benefit also. Like and subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.